So this is part of the nature walk and the Nairobi Animal Orphanage. So it's really been beautified. There's some improvements. As you can see, this is the old part. So this is the new area. The other area there, it's the Nairobi National Park. This is part of the Nairobi National Park, adjacent to the Nairobi Orphanage. So it's a really huge nature walk. As you can see, the view, the trees, really wonderful, really wonderful. It's a nature walk in Nairobi Orphanage. Is inside Nairobi National Park. It's just a division. So this is how it looks like. It's a very famous tourist attraction actually in Kenya, and also source of revenue to the government. As you can see, this is part of the nature, trees. Have a look also. There's also not far away from Wilson Airport. So you can see some aeroplanes going to land. It's part of the nature walk, Nairobi Orphanage. And have a look. So it's nature. It's really nice on a weekend actually. The breeze, temperature, really nice. And also there's a river just down below flowing. It's part of the Nairobi River going through Nairobi National Park. As you can see from afar, this part of Nairobi National Park. So this is how it looks like. This nature at its best. So folks, we'll keep you posted as we are still on the inside the Nairobi National Animal Orphanage. We'll keep you updated, so just keep tuned. See you later folks. Have a good day. Bye bye.